What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. Last time we talked about how to use break continue in while loop. So today we are going to talk about how to use break continue in for loop. At first, let's take a look at the statements of for loop and break in the for loop. We put the for loop statements and body of for with the indentation, and in the for loop we put the if condition and break with indentation. And then let's go on and take a look at the flow control of for loop. At first, the program will evaluate the test expression of loop. If it was false, it will go to exit the loop. Or if it's true, it will go to evaluate whether it will break or not. If it was not, it will remind the body of loop and go back to the test expression and go to the evaluate break again. If it is yes, it will also go to exit the loop. This is the whole flow control of break in the for loop. Let's demonstrate it. At first, we set a for variable in Python. And we set a if condition val equals h and break and print variable and print the end. Alright, let's execute it and to see what will happen. As you can see, it outputs pyt until t. Alright, let's go back and to see how to use continue in for loop. At first, we also put the for statements and the body of for and put the if condition and continue in it. And then in flow control, the program will evaluate the test expression of loop. If it was false, it will go to access the loop. If it is true, it will go to evaluate it will continue or not. If it was not, it is reminding the body of loop and go back to the test expression of loop. Or if it is yes, it will pass this variable in this condition, but it will still go to the test expression of loop and execute the loop again. Alright, this is the whole flow control of continue in for loop. Let's demonstrate it. Alright, let's take a look at the last example about the break in for loop. And we copy this code and change break to continue and execute it and to see what will happen. As you can see, it outputs pyt and pass the alphabet h, and it go on to print on and the end. It is very simple, right? Today we have talked about how to use break continue in for loop. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.